Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs with a runny yolk. First, gather your ingredients: 1 or 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt. Next, select an 8-inch non-stick pan, which is ideal for frying eggs. Place the pan on your stovetop and heat it over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is crucial for achieving that perfect runny yolk without overcooking the whites. Once your pan is warm, add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely, coating the bottom of the pan. Carefully crack your egg directly into the melted butter. This helps prevent sticking and adds flavor. Let the egg cook for 2 to 3 minutes, keeping a close eye on the egg whites as they begin to set around the edges. The key is to cook slowly. To achieve that perfect runny yolk, cover the pan with a lid for 30 to 60 seconds. This creates a steaming effect that cooks the top of the egg without flipping it. You'll know it's ready when the egg whites are fully set, but the yolk remains beautifully liquid and bright yellow. Remove the pan from the heat immediately to prevent any further cooking. Carefully slide your perfectly fried egg onto a plate. A thin spatula works best for this. Now, it's time to season your egg with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper, or any other seasonings you prefer. Serve your delicious runny yolk egg immediately with a slice of toast, avocado, or whatever you like. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.